I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Coinbase. First, ensure your identity is fully verified and you have a bank account or PayPal linked. This is crucial for smooth transactions. Always check your available balance to confirm you have enough funds for your desired withdrawal. Remember, withdrawal limits can vary, often depending on your account's verification status, so be mindful of those thresholds before proceeding. To begin, log into your Coinbase account and locate the cash out or withdraw option. This is usually found on your dashboard or portfolio page. Next, you will select the specific cryptocurrency or fiat currency, like US dollars, that you wish to withdraw. Finally, choose your preferred destination, whether it's your linked bank account or your PayPal account, to receive the funds. Before finalizing, it is essential to carefully review all the transaction details. Double-check the withdrawal amount and confirm that the correct destination account, either your bank or PayPal, is selected. Coinbase will clearly display any associated fees, so make sure you understand these before proceeding. To complete the process, you will need to confirm the transaction using your two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Once confirmed, your withdrawal will begin processing. Bank transfers generally take between 3 and 5 business days to fully complete and appear in your account. However, if you chose PayPal, your funds are often processed much faster, sometimes appearing within just a few minutes. You will receive an email notification from Coinbase as soon as your withdrawal has been successfully processed and sent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.